Hi friends, today I am with Asus ZenBook S14 OLED. It was launched last year, which is 2024. In this video we are going to talk about the capacity what this laptop can deliver. All the ports we will talk about, software, hardware and gaming compatibilities of this laptop. So let's start the video first. Book S14 OLED comes with the new high-tech ceramic which gives the incredible strength and known as Ceraluminium, and it also gives you the lightness of the metal. It will be coming in two colors, which is Zumaya grey and Scandinavia white. So these are the two colors, grey and white, which will be coming for this laptop. The laptop is 1.1 centimeter thin, and it comes with the ambient cooling technology, which actually offers dual fans, which is 0.07 mm ultra slim vapor chamber and a geometric grill design, which ensures that the laptop optimally 28 watt TDP without throttle. This laptop comes with a 65 watt Type C power adapter, which is a 3-pin, and also the battery capacity is 72 watt hour lithium polymer battery. Now talking about the ports, it comes with the audio combo jack, Thunderbolt 4 USB-C port, HDMI 2.1. These are the ports present on this side. The overall weight of this laptop is 1.2 kg, which is very less. This is the maximum flex you can go as the hinge allows, and it will not go up to 180 degrees, so don't try to bend your laptop and may break it. And this side we are getting USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A port. Also there is an indicator for charger, so you can see that while charging it will show orange light, and when it is full charge it will show the white light. ZenBook S15 is running on Windows 11 Home. It comes with the graphics Intel Arc graphics. So this is the graphics what we are getting. It comes with the RAM of 32 GB maximum, which is LPDDR5X on board, and also it comes with the tri-band Wi-Fi 7. Which gives you a better Wi-Fi connection with the Bluetooth 5.4. It also has a 1 TB of maximum storage with PCIe 4.0 x 4 NVMe M.2 SSD. It comes with the 4 Harman Kardon speakers with the Dolby Atmos support, and the audio output is really very loud. The CPU is Intel Core Ultra 7 processor series 2. The NPU is up to 47 TOPS NPU. It also comes with the 2 inbuilt microphone in the laptop. All the Asus laptop comes with the My Asus app inbuilt. This gives you a power to be a pro user, which means that it gives you a control on the power, performance, audio, visual and device settings. Here you can see you have the OLED care option to change it, even dim flickering option, true to life, target mode. This is all the visual display. Even display refresh rate you can fix it to 60 Hz or 120 Hz. Another option is adaptive refresh rate. This will consume less battery, so I will definitely recommend that. Then there is AI noise cancellation for the microphone. There are few options which you can play it around. Then there is noise cancellation speaker also. Sound modes are also present, different sound modes for movie, dynamic, which includes gaming, movies, music, voice, everything. Then there is some custom presets. Then there is volume booster to increase the volume. It has a very loud audio, I am definitely telling you that. Then there is power performance, in that you have some battery care mode. Then there is a fan profile which you can play it around. There is a Hibernate helper, memory allocated GPU. Currently it is 8 GB, and you can also change into automatic. If you put it into automatic, it will reboot the laptop and then you can definitely use it. Then there are some shortcuts for the touchpad. There are some smart gestures which I will show you later on, like this. If you want to increase the brightness or you can adjust the volume, you can do the forward and rewind. Even launch the Asus Screen Expert. This all can be done with the smart gestures. Now let's talk about the camera. It comes with the Asus AI Sense camera, which is a FSD camera coming with 3D NR IR camera and with ambient lights color sense. Now I am showing you Windows Studios Effect 2. This is basically for the eye contact, enhanced portrait lighting, creative filters and many more things, improving the denoise also. You can try and play it out. I will not show you in detail. The FSD eye infrared camera what is coming in this laptop, it also has the IR lens, it also has the IR LED, it comes with the mic in the front, it has the ambient light sensor and the color light sensor, also camera shutter with LED indicator and mic. This all are present in the top shelf of the laptop. It also gives you the automatic framing, portrait lighting, eye contact, background effects. There are too many features which you can play it around. I'm just trying to show you. Even you can take pictures, you can take videos also. Even it is helpful for doing the video calling. Now I'm showing just how it clicks the picture. This is the picture I have clicked using this laptop only, and it is a full HD camera, so you don't expect a very good photo or a low light photo. Even it comes with a barcode scanner too. So these are the options what you are getting. If you go to the settings, there are few more tweaks which you can do for this camera setting. It has the show advanced control for the photos and videos, framing grid which you can switch it on or off. Even in the photo settings, this is a 2.1 megapixel camera with the resolution of 1920 into 1080p. It is a full HD camera, and even for video it will take a full HD video at 30 frames per second. And also it has another few additional settings which you can go and try it out. There are two variants, touchscreen model and non-touchscreen model. We got review. It is a touchscreen model. It comes with a 14-inch display which has a 3K resolution, which means that you are getting a 2880 into 1800 pixels, which is a OLED, and it has a 16:10 aspect ratio with 0.2 ms response time. It comes with the maximum 120 Hz of refresh rate, and it has a 400 nits of brightness, which can maximum go up to 500 nits in HDR brightness, and it is certified by VESA, and display HDR is True Black 500. Comes with the 90% screen to body ratio. There is also a stylus support for this laptop, which you have to get it separately. It is not included in the box, and it can go up to 27 hours of battery life, which is definitely incredible when you are getting a massive 72 watt hour of battery in this laptop. It is only 1.2 kg weight and 1.1 centimeter of thinness. So this is completely insane what Asus has achieved in this laptop. It comes with the Dolby Vision Atmos, and it can go maximum up to 8K video resolution for YouTube, which I am trying to show you, which is also definitely a thumbs up. It comes with the Wi-Fi 7 support, which enables the high quality 8K video streaming to run buttery smooth for this laptop. It comes with the 19.5 mm pitch distance between the middle key and the middle of the adjacent key. It offers commonly used function keys, which I will show you. You have to wait for that for few more seconds. It also enables users to type comfortably. It doesn't have any numpad, but the keyboard comes with the backlit, and it also has a subtle of 0.1 mm disc-shaped identification and the 1.1 mm key travel, which is the longest in this class of laptop. Now let's check the function keys. First we are getting the escape, then there is mute, volume up and down is present simultaneously, then brightness up and down is present. So here you can see I am putting the brightness up and down. Then the next one is for the display. You can have a multiple display and you can switch with that. Then there is a GIF or emoji key which is present, and after emoji key, the next key what we are getting is the microphone on or off. This one is for microphone on or off. We are getting a physical key. Then the next one is the camera on and off, and the other one is My Asus. This will for switching directly to My Asus app in this laptop. Then next we are getting print screen, del key and delete key. The ZenBook S14 OLED also comes with a dedicated Copilot Plus key, which is present in the keyboard. It is useful for those like to use more of the Copilot Plus. So definitely give it a try. Now coming to the touchpad, it comes with a 0.3 mm of optical click depth, which gives a very great feel and gives you a natural feedback. See the smart brightness and the volume, those control keys are present. Even there is screen expert control center, operating system control, which gives you a forward, fast forward and rewind options too. So definitely give a try on this touchpad. Now let's do a little bit gaming on this laptop.
You made a long trip just to see a research project?
Well, reading between the lines, Paul was under a lot of pressure. He needed a friend. I wanted to help him any way I could. Son of a bitch.
Jack Joyce! In the flesh!
The esteemed Mr. Paul Serene. Shaking money bags.
Shut up and bring it in. Welcome home. 6 years. And I was starting to think you'd never come back.
Yeah, me too.
Come on. This way. We're going upstairs to the project lab. How was the flight?
First class. Thank you for that. It's a step up from our van trip to Utah.
I missed that van.
I'm guessing Will's not meeting us.
He doesn't know we're here.
I knew Paul had asked my brother Will to consult on his project. Will was all the family I had, but he was difficult.
I have shown you playing the Hitman and Quantum Break on this laptop. We are also getting an app which is a Story Cube, which is a very useful app to create stories including your photos and videos, and definitely give a try on it. I tried to lift the display of this laptop with one finger and it came out well, which is quite easily visible in this video clip. So this was all about the Asus premium laptop, which is Asus ZenBook S14 OLED. If you guys have any question, definitely drop us the question in the comment section below. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.